What's up, YouTube? Today I'm going to be going over the multiplication algorithm to teach you guys how to do long multiplication in what I think is the easiest, quickest way. It's best to do on paper, so I'm just going to run through a couple examples and show you how it goes. So for this first one, just pick a random large number and show you how to multiply it together. So we're going to break this up into a series of just single digit multiplication, just multiplying each one together and then adding what we get in the end. So 2 times 2 we get 4, 2 times 8 we get 16, but really this is 80, so 2 times 80 is 160, and then we just keep going. Got 2 times 7 get 14, but that's 700, so it's 1400, then 2 times 5 get 10. It's really 5,000, so we get 10,000. So on this next one, we have a 7 here, but it's really a 70, so we just gotta make sure that we're putting it in the right spot. So 7 times 2, we get 14. It's really 70 times 2, so we get 140. 7 times 8, we get 56. 7 times 7 we get 49, and then 7 times 5 we get 35. And now all we gotta do is add, we multiplied every single digit by each other, so now we just add up the columns, get our final answer. So we have a 4, then we get 10 in the second column, so we carry the 1. Get 13 here, carry the 1 again. 16. 9. No, it's not 9. We get 11. And then 4. So I messed up, but here we get our final answer is 41,304. So 416,304. So that should be our right answer. You can check it on the calculator. You can run through one more example. All you got, the trickiest part is just keeping your products in the right column and right place value so you don't mess up your answer in the end. So let's just do a smaller example just to give us some more practice. 49 times 28, 8 times 9, 72, 8 times 4, 32, 8 times 40 is 320. So 2 times 9, we get 18, really it's 180 because that's a 20. 20 times 40, we get 8. It's really right here. So, and then we just add it up. So there's our final answer. So for my next answer, or my next video, I'll be explaining why this is the case, why this works like this, just using math language. So if you want to check out the nitty-gritties of how this works, why this works, check out that video. Take care.